Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we have a new forward lock, and this is the HU198 keyway. And there's two code series for those. There's the P series, which is 4 depths, and there's the 20K series, which is 5 depths. This is the 20K series. And we have experienced on some of the P series locks that the HU198 Lishi will not go all the way in the lock. And on those, I would not suggest forcing it. Other people say to try that, but I don't know what size hammer to use to beat a Lishi into a lock, and not something that I would ever actually attempt. If it doesn't go in, you just need to find a different way to make a key. It's just my opinion on it. But anyway, after saying that, here's the actual key to it. It's probably from a push start. And then we'll go ahead and we'll see if we can pick and decode it here. So here's our HU198 Lishi. And we'll go ahead and insert it in the lock, and we'll identify where our wafers are and see if we can't pick it. And this Lishi here, kind of like the Toy 2, it's got your holes that are lined up where the lifters go through. So this one's not too tough to use as long as it'll actually go in the lock. So go ahead and make sure we get it inserted all the way in. And let me zoom in here if you guys can see it here. And we'll go ahead and just find our wafers. So we got 1 going up, 2 going up, so it's going to be staggered. Then we'll have 1, 2 going up, 3, 4 going down, 5, 6 going up, and it'll just keep alternating like that. And so we'll just go ahead and apply some tension and look for binders. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 5, 6. A little tiny click on 9, and nothing on 10. Got a little rotation there actually, so I went and increased my tension. Okay, we got, let's see, you gotta make sure you're actually in the hole. Insert your own joke, I guess. And we got 3 binding, nice click on 3. All right, 4's springy, so we'll go check out 7. All right, nice click on 7. Nice click on 8, got a little more rotation. And 1 still springy. All right, nice click on 2, got a little more rotation, so I've increased my tension a hair. 5 binding, nice click on 5. I think 6 is binding actually. Nice click on 6. We got 6 set, and 9, and all right, 10's actually binding now. Nice click on 10. Let me go check the other side of the lock here. Head back over to number 3. 3 is springy. Okay, now 4 is actually binding, so we'll go and we'll see if we can set number 4. Nice click on 4. Okay, 7 springy. Okay, 8's binding. Let's click on 8 there. Now 8 feels like I might have overset it, so I'm going to just back off tension while I'm holding the lifter and see where it goes back to springing, like right there. All right, so I just recovered the overset, and I'm going to go back up top here. 9's right there. It was actually binding, so pick that. 10 springy. 1 springy. Okay, click on 2. 5 springy. 6 springy. Yeah, 9 does feel like it's binding. Let's click on 9 there. Okay, 10 springy. So let's go check out number 3 here. Okay, and 4 is binding. Click on 4. 7 springy. I'm not sure if 8 needs to be picked or not. I'll just leave it for right now. We can always come back to it. And since we're already on 9, we'll go see if we can pick 9 again. 10 springy. Not sure 9 is set either, so we'll go back and check that in a second. Okay, there's another click on 2. 5. Okay, 6 is set. And 9 does appear to be set. 10 set. Okay, 3 is set. 4 is set. 7 is set. And we'll see if we can get 8 to pick here. Let's click on 8. It sounded like I dropped something, so let's go see if we can find what I dropped. 5. Let's click on 5, and we now got the lock open. So I put up a little bit of a fight there, but now these aren't too bad. And now we'll see if we can go ahead and decode it. And so number 1, we never had to pick, so that's going to be a 5. And then 2, we have a 4. 3, we have a 3. 4, we have a 2. 5, we have a 2. And 6, we've actually got a 1. 7, we have a 3. 8, we have a 3. And 9, we've got a 4. And 10, we've got a 2. And that actually is a valid decode. I ran the code and got 30851, so we know it decoded correctly. And there we go. That's the HU198 Lishi, picking and decoding a new style Ford lock. And as always, you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.